Hello viewers, I hope all of you have seen part 1 and part 2 videos of the chapter arithmetic progression, and today I am going to start part 3 of this chapter. Now in my first video I told you what is an AP. Just let me repeat. An AP, whenever you are having certain numbers, suppose 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on, just see the difference between second term and first term. 15 minus 10, you got 5. 20 minus 15, that is also 5, and 25 minus 25. Since the differences in all the cases, the differences between the consecutive members are same, so this type of sequences are called arithmetic progression or AP. Clear? And in this case, 10 is the first member, so this is called the first term, represented by the symbol A. A is 10, and here what is the difference? Difference between 15 and 10 is 5. 20 and 15 is 5, so it is termed as common difference. Common difference is 15 minus 10, that is 5. I hope what is A and what is D in case of AP is now clear. Now whenever you are having first term A1, if I add first term, if I add common difference with it, I am going to get second term. When I add common difference with second term, I am going to get third term. And when I add common difference with the third term, I am going to get fourth term, and this way we can get the full series. So here, first term is A1, second term is A2. If you want to find, what we have to do? We have to add common difference with first term. If you want third term, it will be common difference plus second term. And it is important to remember that any term of the series can be calculated if I know the first term and common difference. So these two terms are very important in case of an AP. Let me start now. Number 1 of 5B. What's the question? In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression, and why? That means we have to check whether in these cases whether they are in AP, and why we have to mention that also. Let me start part 1 of question number 1. And the question is, number of students left in the school auditorium from the total strength of 800 students when they leave the auditorium in batches of 20. So initially there are 800 students, 20 of them will leave. How many left? 780. From 780 also another 20 will leave. How many left? 760. In this way students are leaving. Let me show the sum. Now here total strength of students in the hall is 800. Initially it is given in the question 800. Number of students left when first batch leaves. In the batch how many are there? 20. So 800 minus 20. How many left? 780. Number of students left when second batch leaves. Now from 780 again another 20 will leave. So we are left with 780 minus 20, 760. Now only these three cases we have considered. No need to consider all the cases. Now the number of students left in the auditorium at different stages are, initially there were 800 students, then 780, then 760, next one will be 740. Just write 3 or 4 values. Now this is your first one, that means A1, this is A2, this is A3. Now what is the difference between second one and first one? A2 minus A1, 780 minus 800, you got minus 20. Again you check this minus this, that is A3 minus A2, 760 minus 780, you got minus 20. In both the cases you got the same number, that means A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore the numbers, these numbers are in AP. And here you can see the first term is, and here the first term is 800, and the common difference between the numbers is minus 20. So I have written first term is 800 and common difference is minus 20. I hope the sum is clear. Let me show you the second part. In second part of this question, the question is amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes each time 1/3 of the air remaining in the cylinder. That means in a cylinder certain amount of air is present, and every time we are removing 1/3 of the air, whatever is there in the cylinder. So let initial volume be V. So volume of air left after first removal, we are removing 1/3. So initial volume is V, and from that V, 1/3 of the air we have removed. how much is left? Here v means v divided by 1. 1 and 3, you take LCM, it will be 3. So 3v minus 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 into 1, 1, 1v. So 3v minus v, that will be 2v divided by 3. Now, after first removal, this much of air is left in the cylinder. Now, from this again we are to remove. So, volume of air left after second removal, this much was there, minus 1/3 of this much, as it is mentioned in the question that every time we are removing, how much we are removing? 1/3 of the air remaining. So, this is the remaining air. So, this much is removed. So, 2/3 of v minus 2v divided by 9. LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. 9 divided by 3, it will be 3. 3 to the 6v minus 9 divided by 9, 1. 2 1 ja 2v. 6v minus 2v, it will be 4v by 9. Now, initial volume was v. After first removal, volume of air left in the cylinder is 2v by 3. And after second removal, this much is left. Now, suppose first one is A1, second one is A2, third one is A3. Now, just subtract A2 minus A1. This quantity minus this. Here also, it is v divided by 1. So, LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 into 2, 2v minus 3 divided by 1, 3. 3 into v, 3v. So, it will be minus v by 3. Again, A3 minus A2, it will be this quantity minus 2v by 3. LCM will be 9. So, 9 divided by 9, 1. 4v minus 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 to the 6v. This minus this, you will get minus 2v by 9. Now, as you can see, this quantity and this quantity, they are not same. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. And since these two quantities are not equal, therefore the numbers are not in AP. I hope third part of question number 1 you can do yourself. Let me show question number 2, first part. Here the question is, for the following AP, write the first term A and common difference D. Here the given AP is 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. So how to do this sum? Here it is given 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. This is the given AP. So this is the first term. So first term is A equals to 4. And how to find common difference? We know common difference is second term minus first term. Here second term is 1. First term is 4. 1 minus 4. That will be minus 3. So 4 and minus 3 are the required answers. In question number 2, it is given 1/3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3, 10 by 3. Here first term, as you can see here, it is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the first term. And how to find the common difference? It will be A2 minus A1. So it will be 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 3 LCM. 3 divided by 3, 1. 4 1 ja 4. Minus 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 1 ja 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 divided by 3, that will be 1. That means first term is 1 by 3 and common difference is 1. In question number 3, question is find the first term and common difference of the AP and write the next two terms. So here first term, second term, third term, fourth term already given. We have to find fifth term and sixth term. Here first term is 50. So A is 50. How to find common difference? We know second term minus first term will give you common difference. And here it is 58. 58 minus 50, that will be 8. So first term G both already we got. Now we have to find next two terms. So next two terms are already we know up to A4. So A5 will be fourth term plus common difference. 74 plus common difference, which is 8. 74 plus 8 is 82. And sixth term, it will be fifth term plus common difference. Fifth term already we got how much? 82. 82 plus 8, 90. I hope this sum is clear. Now, how to do the second part? Same question. Here it is 75, 68, 61, 54. These four values are given and we have to find first term, common difference and next two terms. Here first term is 75. Common difference, second term minus first term, 68 minus 75, that will be minus 7. So first term and common difference you got. So next two terms, A5 will be A4 plus common difference. A4 is 54. 54 plus minus 7, because common difference is minus 7. 54 minus 7 is 47. And A6, it will be A5 plus D. What is A5? A5 is 47. 47 plus D, you are going to get 40. So this is the required answer. Question number 5, first part. What's the question? Which of the following list of numbers form an AP? First of all, you have to check whether they are in AP. And if they are in AP, we have to write the next 4 terms. I hope question is clear. So let me show how to do this sum. Here question is 2, 4, 8, 6. 2, 4, 8, 16. These 4 values are given. We have to check whether they are in AP. So here A1 is 2, A2 is 4, A3 is 8, A4 is 16. Now A2 minus A1, A2 minus 1, A2 minus A1 equals to 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. A3 minus A2, 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 is 4. Are they same? No. Since A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2, therefore the terms are not in AP. Now let me show second part of question number 5. Here it is given 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. Here this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now A2 minus A1, 5 by 2 minus 2, and as I told you, whenever numbers are there, 1 is there in the denominator. The LCM of 2 and 1, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 5 1 ja 5. Minus 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 2 ja 4. 5 minus 4, 1 by 2. Now A3 minus A2, 3 minus 5 by 2. Here also below 3, 1 is there. 1 and 2, LCM will be 2. 2 divided by 1, 2. 3 2 ja 6. Minus 2 divided by 2, 1. 5 1 ja 5. 6 minus 5, 1 by 2. So here also you got 1 by 2. Here also you got 1 by 2. So these two terms are equal. And since they are equal, therefore terms are in AP. With first term is 2. And the common difference will be half. So we can write, therefore first term equals to 2. And common difference directly also you can write here equals to half. No need to show this calculation because already we have shown this one. Now we know common difference is half. How to find the next 4 terms? Already we got A1, A2, A3, A4. So next term will be 7 by 2 plus half. That means we are writing A5. A5 will be A4 plus D. And we know A4 is 7 by 2 plus half. LCM will be 2. It will be 7 plus 1. 8 by 2, 4. Similarly, A6 will be A5 plus D. A5 already we got 4. 4 plus half. It will be, LCM will be 2. 4 2 ja 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. A7 will be A6 plus D. Similarly, we will get this value. And A8 will be A7 plus D equals to just 5 plus half. 1 is there. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 divided by 2, 1. It will be 1. 11 by 2. Therefore, next 4 terms are 4. Then you got 9 by 2, 5 and 11 by 2. Now I am showing fifth part of question number 5. And here numbers are 0.3, 0.33, 0.333 and so on. So just see how to do here. Here first term, second term, third term, fourth term. A2 minus A1. A2 is 0.33 minus 0.3 and 0.33 minus 0.3. You can place 1 0 here. So answer is 0.03. You got 0.03. Now A3 minus A2. This is A3. This is A2. A3 minus A2 will be 0.003. And as you can see, these two numbers are not same. Since this part and this part, they are not equal. So the terms are not in AP. So here, since they are not in AP, no need to calculate A, D and the remaining terms. Let me show you this sixth one. 3 plus root 5, 3 plus 2 root 5, 3 plus 3 root 5. They have given first term, second term, third term. So I have written A1, A2, A3. Now A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, it will be 3 plus 2 root 5 minus 3 plus root 5, 3 plus 2 root 5 minus 3 plus minus minus root 5 plus 3 minus 3 cancels. You are left with 2 root 5 minus root 5. That will be only root 5. Similarly, a3 minus a2, if I subtract, I will get similarly root 5. Since a3 minus a2 is same as a2 minus a1, therefore terms are in AP. So next 4 terms are a4 will be a3 plus d, and we know a3 is a plus 3 root 5. Just add common difference. Common difference is root 5. So if you add, you will get 3 plus 4 root 5. Similarly, you can calculate a5, a6, a7, and these are the required answers. Now in question number 6, it is given write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term a and the common differences d are given. In the first case, it is given a is 5, d is 5. Since a is 5, d is 5, so we can get a1 as 5 because we know this is the first term of the sequence. A2 will be first term plus common difference. First term plus common difference. Common difference is 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. Third term will be second term plus common difference. Second term is what? Second term is 10. 10 plus common difference. That is 15. And fourth term will be third term plus common difference 20. Therefore, first 4 terms are 5, 10, 15 and 20. Question 6, third part, it is given a is 4, d is minus 2. Here a is 4, d is minus 2. So a1 will be same as 4. a2 will be first term plus common difference. Second term will be first term plus common difference. Common difference is minus 2. 4 plus minus minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Third term will be second term plus common difference. Second term is 2 plus minus minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Fourth term will be third term plus common difference. Third term is 0 and common difference is minus 2. So it will be 0 minus 2 minus 2. So first 4 terms are 4, 2, 0 and minus 2. Now in fourth part of this question number 6, it is given a is minus 2 and d is half. So a1 is minus 2. It is already given in the question. How to find a2? a1 plus common difference. a1 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus half. As I told you, minus 2 means minus 2 divided by 1 is there. LCM will be 2. 2 divided by 1, 2. 2 2 ja 4. Plus 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 1 ja 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 by 2. A3 how to get? A2 plus d. A2 will be minus 3 by 2 plus half. LCM will be 2. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 2 by 2 minus 1. And A4 will be A3 plus d. A3 will be minus 1 plus half. LCM will be 2. So it will be minus 2 plus 1. That is minus half. Therefore, first 4 terms are minus 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 1 and minus half. So let me do question number 7. It is little bit difficult. The question is the nth term of a sequence is 2n plus 3. Is the sequence an AP? If so, we are to find the 6th term. How to do this type of sum? Here it is given n is 2n plus 3. If n is 2n plus 3, what will be a n plus 1? That means next term. If it is nth, we are to find a n plus 1. Replace n by n plus 1. 2n plus 1 plus 3. So 2 into n, 2n plus 2 plus 3, you got 2n plus 5. Now you subtract a n plus 1 minus a n. That is a n plus 1 minus a n will be 2n plus 5 minus 2n plus 3. 2n plus 5 minus 2n plus minus minus 3 plus 2n minus 2n cancels. 5 minus 3, 2. And as you can see in the answer, it is independent of n. No n is there. Since a n plus 1 minus a n is independent of n, that means in the final difference, there should not be any n, any variable. The given sequence is in AP. In the last part of this question, it is given find its 6th term. Now, formula is 2n plus 3. So you replace n by 6 to get the 6th term. So 6th term will be 2 into 6 plus 3. 6 to the 12 plus 3, that will be 15. So 6th term is 15. Question number 8. Show that the sequences defined by an n square plus 3 are not in AP. Here I am doing only one, rest you can do yourself. Now in this question it is given an is n square plus 3. In the previous sum I told you, whenever this type of sum is there where you are to show they are in AP, you have to find its next term. A n plus 1 will be n plus 1 whole square plus 3. a plus b whole square. All of you know this formula. A square plus twice ab plus b square plus 3. N square plus twice n plus 3 plus 1 4. Now try to find the difference between these two. A n plus 1 minus a n square plus 2n plus 4 minus n square plus minus 3. N square nullifies. You are left with twice n plus 1. As you can see in the difference, n is there. It is not independent of n. Since n plus 1 minus n is not independent of n, so the given sequence is not in a P. That's all for today. In my next video, I am going to show sums of 5C. Till then, bye bye, take care and wait for my next video.